Hey everyone, welcome back to another unboxing video. Today I have a little bit of a different one. We're unboxing the iPhone 14 Pro Max. I've always been an Android person, still rocking the Z Flip 4. But yeah, this is going to be pretty new. Never really used iOS that much, other than other people's phones and my own personal iPod Touch. But I got this to use as a work phone because I'm starting a business up. So let's go ahead and get this thing unboxed and see how it performs. I'm actually pretty excited about this. Hopefully it's pretty neat, and we shall see. Alright, so here is the box. Sorry about the tripod legs, don't really have a better way of doing this, but just have these pull tabs here. That went horribly, that was really unsatisfying. Hopefully this one's, okay, that one was better. We're just gonna have to go on the opposite side. There we go. And then we can just open it up, and there is the phone. So this is what that looks like. I got it in the purple color. I think it looks really nice. There is a small speck of dust there, but well, just gonna use a paper towel to get that off. There we go. This thing has some massive cameras. I mean, in comparison to like the cameras on this phone, big difference. So one of these is a 48 megapixel, and then the other are 12 megapixel. But this thing is really heavy, feels really good in the hand. And there it is. You can kind of see the dynamic island already. I kind of wish that you saw the punch out camera and it didn't like pixel over it, but like, look at that. That thing looks nice. We're gonna definitely do some test photos on this. I'm gonna put this guy over to the side for now. So included in the box, we just have the charge cable. A lot of phone companies have been doing this now, unfortunately. I mean, I get why. One thing to note actually is this is USB-C to Lightning. So still no USB-C, really unfortunate, sucks, I know. But yeah, then we have this little packet. So this actually uses eSIM. So it says you no longer need a physical SIM card. It's more like you no longer are allowed to. But figure out how to set that up later. I'm not going to put my current plan on. I'm going to get another plan on it. But yeah, that is all you get in the box. Nothing else. So let's get this guy started up. So I'm pretty sure you just hold down the power button. It's a very reflective case, you can see me in there, but there's the Apple logo. Just gonna set this guy down here. Zoom in a little bit. I'm also gonna put a case on this to protect the cameras because it does worry me a little bit. There we go, it says hello. There's the dynamic island. So, I think it's, what am I supposed to do? Oh, swipe up like that. So I'm going to go ahead and set this guy up, and I will be back once that is done. Alright, so here is the iPhone. Not that used to the operating system on here, so it's going to take me a while to get used to. But I did set up some recording features on here. So I have RAW photos, and I also have ProRes enabled. So if I change it to 30 FPS on here, I got ProRes. I have the 256 gigabyte model. I didn't think I would need a lot more than that because I'm not going to be using this as my main camera anyway. This camera up here is going to be my main camera until I upgrade in the future. But 35 minutes ProRes, definitely big files. And I also have cinematic mode on here. So I'm going to test this out. I'm going to probably just record my cat or something, see how it turns out. But I'll put that test footage there and we will see how it turns out. Alright, so this is using ProRes. He's asleep on some laundry that came out of the dryer. But I think, can't really tell because it's on a phone screen, but I think it has quite a bit of detail. Well, that was a weird jump. I think it switched to a different lens automatically. But yeah, he's just a sleepy little guy. So now I'm gonna try cinematic mode and see how that works. All right, so this is cinematic mode. It has a little tracker on his head. It's not focusing on that. There we go, kinda. So this is like a freeze-dried fish. It's his favorite snack. So hopefully we can bribe him. Just want to get some good shots of him. Oh yeah, he knows. I know. Okay, be good. Here you go. So, oh, he's getting on my clothes. That kind of sucks, but that's part of having a cat, I guess. But yeah, so he got some pretty good facial reactions, I guess. So hopefully that looks good on cinematic. And we will see. My fingers still smell like it, so he thinks that I have more for him. But all right, that's a good test. Thank you. Okay, so I currently have the phone on my gimbal. I'm gonna do one more inside test, but yeah, there it is right there. So I'm gonna do one more indoor test. Sorry, it's kind of loud. I have laundry going and it's kind of late at night. I haven't had a lot of time to work on this video, but yeah, I'm gonna take this outside and try to get some cinematic shots on the gimbal to give it the best chance, because this is how it's gonna be most of the time anyways. But first I'm gonna try to get some shots with my cat and try to get stable shots with that cinematic mode. But I think this is probably the best way to have it filming. So we're gonna go ahead and get that shot and then we'll go to the outside one. So I just wanted to put that in there real quick, just so you guys don't get too confused. Alright guys, so I think I got some pretty good shots on there. I'm still recording on the iPhone right now. It's taken me a little bit to do this. The outside shots, I was very cold, as you can see out there. We had some freezing rain. But yeah, that's my short little review on the iPhone 14 Pro Max. If you enjoyed it, please hit the thumbs up button and consider subscribing. Also, I have a new channel that I'm going to be doing travel videos on. You can see it in the link in the description. This is what it looks like right here. I'm not really uploading on it yet, but I will be in the upcoming month, so just stay tuned for that. And yeah, thank you all for watching. Have a good day, and I will see you in my next video.